Deploying an AI model involves publishing a trained model so it can be accessed by users or other applications. In Azure, deployment allows you to leverage cloud scalability, reliability, and integrated resources. Effective deployment strategies consider user demand, performance requirements, and scalability needs. Prior themes have covered model selection, AI service determination, and responsible use of AI, forming the basis upon which deployment options further build. Effective deployment of AI models in Azure guarantees that users extract maximum value from machine learning investments. Proper deployment helps ensure availability and reliability of AI solutions, scalability and responsiveness to varying workloads, ease of integration with existing enterprise systems, effective monitoring and maintenance through structured processes, compliance with organizational and security standards. Azure offers multiple deployment options for AI models: Azure App Service, Azure Container Instances (ACI), Azure Kubernetes Service (AKS), Azure Functions. Each option has specific strengths and considerations regarding scalability, complexity, adaptability, cost, and ease of integration with continuous integration and continuous deployment (CI/CD) pipelines. Azure App Service facilitates rapid deployment with minimal configuration. It supports web applications and APIs. Benefits: easy integration with Azure DevOps for continuous deployment, built-in scalability options, comprehensive security features. Limitations: limited customization and control compared to container-based options. Not suitable for applications needing direct server or infrastructure control. Azure Container Instances offer quick containerization deployment without needing Kubernetes orchestration. Benefits: fast startup and deployment speed, minimal overhead for container management, support for isolated environments. Ideal for simple model deployments that need rapid, lightweight containerization, short-lived one-off tasks, or batch processing. Limitations: less suitable for high-scale, complex orchestration requirements. Azure Kubernetes Service provides managed orchestration for containerized applications. Benefits: advanced scalability and orchestration capabilities, high degree of control over infrastructure deployment, enables automation and CI/CD integration extensively. Ideal for complex, scalable systems that require auto-scaling, high availability applications, large-scale services, or distributed systems. Azure Functions offers a serverless computing model effective for event-driven AI deployment. Benefits: on-demand scaling, reducing costs during idle periods, rapid deployment with serverless execution model, smooth integration with various Azure services and third-party tools. Ideal for AI applications with variable, demand-driven traffic, event-driven solutions. When selecting a deployment option, consider scalability, expected growth, and cyclic workload demands. Complexity, resource management, and infrastructure control required. Integration and automation, ability to integrate into DevOps processes. Cost efficiency relative to resource utilization and application lifecycle. The optimal choice balances functionality, cost, scalability, and ease of management aligned to strategic objectives. Machine learning operations, MLOps, automate deployment processes, integrating machine learning deployments efficiently with continuous integration and continuous deployment tools. Enables rapid, consistent deployments across environments. Supports rollback and recovery to previous model versions. Provides transparency and regulation compliance through clear auditing and logging mechanisms. Implementing MLOps is essential for organizations seeking robust, repeatable AI model lifecycles. Scalability involves managing varying loads efficiently. Azure supports vertical scaling, adding more resources to existing deployments, and horizontal scaling, adding more instances. Vertical scaling: simple, short-term management of increased load. Horizontal scaling: better for long-term, sustainable growth and highly available deployments. Select scaling methods that complement deployment choices and expected operational requirements. Post-deployment monitoring is critical to maintain performance and compliance. Azure provides tools like Azure Monitor and Application Insights to track model accuracy and performance in production, identify data drift or performance degradation promptly, automate notifications and incident responses to maintain uptime. Effective monitoring ensures ongoing alignment with operational and strategic expectations. Security is paramount during AI model deployment. Azure ensures secure deployments by encrypting sensitive data both at rest and in transit, implementing authentication and authorization controls, utilizing network isolation via virtual networks and private endpoints, integrating solutions with Azure Security Center and compliance frameworks. A secure deployment safeguards organizational data and facilitates compliance with standards like GDPR and HIPAA.